Hello, hello. It's Jaden again, back from Total Developers, and today we will be going over the Bellman-Ford algorithm. So, first things first, um, the algorithm is a graph traversal algorithm. Another one, I've gone over the depth first search algorithm or the DFS algorithm. Also gone over the breadth first search algorithm, both on my channel, both in language Rust. Um, yeah, breadth first search finds the shortest path, and so does this algorithm. Uh, but this finds the shortest path for all nodes at the same time or while in the algorithm. So we'll start the presentation now. Uh, so the Bellman-Ford algorithm helps us find the shortest path from a vertex to all other vertices of a weighted graph. And this shortest path is algorithm is favorable because it allows the implementer to account for negative weights in the graph. So Um, I put together a implementation slide here where we have written some pseudocode, just explaining how the algorithm works. So we start with a distance array filled with the vertices or all the vertices of the graph. We start with the source node or starting vertice as zero, and we step through each of the vertices, as you could see right here. So while we're stepping through each of these vertices, then we start our search here. This essentially takes each node or edge in our graph that we passed into this search algorithm and grabs the initial node as well as the node that it's connected to or its partner node, and also grabs its weight, then checks the weight of the partner node or child, and then checks it with the starting node, its distance, plus the weight of the edge. And if the child is greater than, or the connected node is greater, distance is greater than the initial plus the weight, we will then ask if the step is the node that we're currently traversing on. And if it is, we return a negative weight cycle is bound. So this prevents against negative cycles. We're almost an infinite loop of just doing the same thing over and over again. And if not, we update our child's node, its distance with the initial node's value plus the weight. So simple algorithm. This is very similar to a breadth search, just instead of just looping through one and then finding the shortest path to one node, we find the shortest path to every node. So yeah, so here we have a nice if of a graph that is being traversed with the Bellman-Ford algorithm. And as you can see, iterating at the amount, we are iterating the amount of times nodes minus one there are, the amount of nodes minus one. So as we can see, we have one node, two nodes, three nodes, four nodes, five nodes. So we iterate it four times here, as in n minus one. And as we're doing this, we are updating our shortest distance to each node after each iteration, as you can see. Okay, cool. So next video, we will go over this in the language Rust and also implement it with some test cases that you could check on your own to see if the algorithm works. All right, so I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.